Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to show or hide a Spotify playlist on your profile. So here, as you can see, I've already opened my Spotify, and then here are the lists of playlists that is on my Spotify, and I can add it to my profile and also remove it, and you can choose which of these playlists uh, that is shown on your profile. So first, I'm going to show you how to add the playlist on your profile. So click on the playlist that you want to add, and then at this menu, find this add to profile option. Just click on it, and then the playlist is now displayed on your profile. But to remove it, just click again, and then you can see this option, remove from profile. Click on it, and then the playlist is no longer displayed on your profile. Okay, so that is how you can show or hide the playlist on your Spotify profile. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye.